Ang atong economic activity nila, they will be spending their money, they will be spending for whatever necessities nila. So, okay kaayo siya in terms of economic activity para sa Cagayan de Oro and for that matter. No? So, mao na siya ang isa ka good side. No? And the other side, of course, katong mga conservatism ng atong mga sa atong culture nga we would like sana to as much as possible na ma-remind ang atong mga kababaihan na ano gid to really take care of themselves as part of our cultural and religious beliefs. Generally speaking, it's really good since we don't expect na magkaroon gid ta ng war in the magnitude of yang sa Iran-Iraq because wala man say reason, for example, like China going into physical war kay it is now succeeding in its economic war. Mas influential man gud ang epekto aning economic war that China is waging kaysa mag-physical war siya, di ba? Kay kabalo siya sa nakita niya the destruction brought about by the war. Dili sa siguro niya ma-afford na after everything nga nilambo sila, ilas ang ipaguba ang ilang infrastructure. I think they will not resort to physical war with Taiwan but economic war kana gid siguro ang atong bantayanan.